I'm a jolly banker am I. I safeguard of farmers, widows and orphans, singing I'm a jolly banker am I. When money you're needing, for mouths you are feeding, I'm a jolly banker am I. I'll plaster your home with a furniture loan, singing I'm a jolly banker am I. If you show me you need it, I'll let you have credit. I'm a jolly banker am I. Just give me back 2 for the one I lend you, singing I'm a jolly banker am I. Storms are sailing, crops they are failing, I'm a jolly banker am I. I'll check up your shortage, bring down your mortgage, singing I'm a jolly banker am I. When your car you're losing, and sadly you're cruising, I'm a jolly banker am I. I'll come in for clothes, get your car and your clothes, singing I'm a jolly banker am I. When times are rotten, cows are rotten, I'm a jolly banker am I. I'll bring down the police chief to keep you from mischief, singing I'm a jolly banker am I. When landlords abuse you or sadly misuse you, I'm a jolly banker am I. I'll bring down the police chief to keep you from mischief, singing I'm a jolly banker am I. Singing I'm a jolly banker am I. Singing I'm a jolly banker am I.
Dankjewel. Woody heeft ook een aantal liedjes geschreven over een aantal, wat wij tegenwoordig noemen, schurken in Amerika. En dit is er een van. Dat is een soort weldoener, werd hij beschouwd. Maar als je de aanplakbiljetten opzoekt, dan er staat $2000 op je hoofd. Maar dit is er een van. Pretty Boy Floyd, the Outlaw. If you gather around me, children, a story I will tell about Pretty Boy Floyd, an outlaw. Oklahoma knew him well. It was in the town of Shawnee on a Saturday afternoon. His wife beside him in the wagon as into town they rode. And as a deputy sheriff approached him in a manner rather rude, speaking vulgar words of anger, and his wife she overheard. And Pretty Boy grabbed the lock chain, and the deputy grabbed his gun. And in the fight that followed, he laid that deputy down. It was in Oklahoma City, it was on a Christmas day. There was a whole carload of groceries come with a note to say. Well, you say that I'm an outlaw, and you say that I'm a thief, and here's a Christmas dinner for the families on relief. Danny took to the trees and timber along the river shore, hiding on the river bottom, and he never come back no more. Yeah, he took to the trees and timber to live a life of shame, and every climb in Oklahoma was added to his name. A starving farmer, the same old story told, how the outlaw paid a mortgage and left her, saved her home. Others tell you about a stranger that come to beg a meal, and underneath his napkin he left $1,000 bill. Yes, through this world I wander, I've seen lots of funny men. Some will rob you with a 6-gun, and some with a fountain pen. Yes, through your life you travel, yes, through your life you roam. You won't never see an outlaw drive a family from their home. No, you won't never see an outlaw drive a family from their home. Pretty Boy Floyd the Outlaw.
Dank u wel.
Volgende is een cowboyliedje. En het zit vol met cowboy slang. Dat ga ik niet allemaal uitleggen, want dat staat allemaal op Google. I ride an old paint, I lead an old Dan. Die old paint is een paard en de old Dan is ook weer een andere paard. I ride an old paint, lead an old Dan, going to Montana to throw the Julian. While I feed him in the coulees, water in the draw. The tails are all matted, the backs are all raw. Ride around, little doggies, ride around them slow. They're fiery and snuffy and raring to go. Now old Billy Jones had a daughter and a son. The son went to college, the daughter went wrong. Well, his wife got killed in a barroom fight, but still he keeps singing from morning till night. Ride around, little doggies, ride around them slow. and snuffy and raring to go. While I worked in a town, I worked on a farm, but all I got to show are the muscles in my arm. I got blisters on my feet, calluses in my hand. Now I'm off to Montana to throw the holy hand. Ride around, little doggies, ride around them slow. They're fiery and snuffy and raring to go. Now when I die, take my saddle from the wall, saddle up my pony, lead him out of his stall, tie my bones to his back, turn our faces to the west, and we'll ride the prairie that we love the best. Ride around, little doggies, ride around them slow. They're fiery and snuffy and raring to go. Ride around, little doggies, ride around them slow. They're fiery and snuffy and raring to go.
Misschien een goed moment om de band even aan jullie voor te stellen. Dat was op mandoline, zang en hij speelde ook veel Jan Huizinga.
Dankjewel.
Achter de steelgitaar, hij blijft daar nog even zitten. En hij speelt ook drums Ad Bos. Verder hebben we hier op de bas en tuba Tjeerd Nota. En degene die nu zijn gitaar nog even aan het bijstemmen is Piet Kok.
En niet vergeten op gitaar en van alles nog wat, Gerard Nijborg.
Dank jullie wel. Deze band zijn wij ooit begonnen omdat we in een cd-project zaten. En dat project loopt nog steeds. En we hebben op een gegeven moment besloten om een leuk bandje te beginnen. Dat hebben we nou afgelopen seizoen, hebben we 8 optredens gehad. Dus we zijn te boeken weer vanaf november. En we hebben een avondvullend programma met allemaal liedjes van Woody, met het verhalen erbij, dat doen we nu allemaal niet. En, jullie komen hier voor muziek. Maar op die cd daar staan ook een aantal mensen die als gast meedoen. En bij het volgende nummer hebben we die gast ook hard nodig. Dat is namelijk Marten Koster. Give her a big hand. En ze gaat onder andere met de rest van de groep meezingen met Who's Gonna Shoe My Pretty Little Feet.
Little feet, who's gonna glove your hand? Who's gonna kiss your red ruby lips? Who's gonna be your man?
Papa's gonna shoe my pretty little feet. Mama's gonna glove my hand. Sister's gonna kiss my red ruby lips.
Well, the train that I ride is 100 coaches long, and my baby's on that train and gone. My baby's on that train and gone, 100 coaches long. Well, I don't need no man, I don't need no man. Sister's gonna kiss my red ruby lips, and I don't need no man. Who's gonna shoe your pretty little feet? Who's gonna glove your hand? Who's gonna kiss your red ruby lips? Who's gonna be your man?
Papa's gonna shoe my pretty little feet. Mama's gonna glove my hair. Sister's gonna kiss my red ruby lips. I don't need no man. I don't need no man. I don't need no man. Sister's gonna kiss my red ruby lips. I don't need no man. I don't need no man. I don't need no man. Sister's gonna kiss my red ruby lips. I don't need no man.
Martin Koster. Dankjewel, man. De mensen die bekend zijn met Rudy, die weten dat hij ook heel veel liedjes heeft geschreven over de vakbond. En dit is een liedje wat hij ooit geschreven heeft op een avond terwijl hij ergens speelde samen met Pete Seeger en Josh White. En de aanleiding vertellen we meestal bij onze programma, maar dat is een lang verhaal. Dus het is een lied wat u allemaal kunt meezingen en het heet The Union Maid.
There once was a union maid who never was afraid of goons and gangs and company things, and the deputy sheriff that made a raid. She went to the union hall when the meeting it was called, and when the union boys come around, she'd always stood her ground. Oh, you can't spare me, I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union. Oh, you can't scare me, I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union till the day I die. This union maid was wise to tricks of company spies. She couldn't be fooled by the deputy's tools. She always organized the guy. She always got her way when she went for better pay. She showed her card to the National Guard, and this is what she said. Oh, you can't scare me, I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union. Oh, you can't scare me, I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union till the day I die. So you girls, you want to be free, so take a tip from me. Get you man who's a union man and join the ladies auxiliary. Married life ain't hard when you got a union card. This union man has a happy life when he's got a union wife. Oh, you can't scare me, I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union. Oh, you can't scare me, I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union till the day I die. sticking to the union. Oh, I'm sticking to the union. Oh, I'm sticking to the union. Oh, you can't scare me. I'm sticking to the union. I'm sticking to the union till the day I die. Come on, sing with us. Oh, you can't